My friends are expert. They sent me this, and but to my friends, you're going to love this because I'm gonna have to buy so many of these because people are gonna love this. So I'm a musician, and you know how we like to play in air drums, right? Play air drums. Well, I have something for you guys. I got the air drum cymbal. And this is so that you can set it up. Everything comes so that you can set it up on the air vents of your AC in the car, so that when you're listening to music in the car and you're jamming to your music, you can set up this cymbal. And of course you're not gonna have drumsticks like me, but you can set this up, right? And that way you can jam, right? You can air drum all you want, right? You can air drum all you want, and then you can have, actually you can have more than one. I could have, of course, this is just the crash cymbal, but I would like to have a ride too, a ride one. It would have to be bigger, so it's easy to set up. This goes into the air vent, right? You see that? This goes into the air vent, and you can, right? You can like, it's retractable, so you put in, the air vent goes there, and once it grabs the air vent, then you tighten it up so that it stays nice and snug on your air vent. And then you put the cymbal up. The cymbal goes here, right? And it has a swivel head, so that way you can, and there you go. Let me get a drumstick. Let me see how it sounds. Okay. Let me see if you can ride it. Let me tighten it all the way to see if you can ride it. I wish I could play some music so I show you how this works, right? It's too loose for being a ride. It's just a crash cymbal for now. I'm trying to make it tight. So then you play. Oh my God, I'm thinking of so many friends that are gonna want to buy this. So check it out. This is a conversation starter for sure. Anyone that gets into your car and sees this is gonna have a smile on their face. I'm gonna say, "What is that?" And then you're just like, "Hey man, I'm serious about my music." You see? Here, you tighten it and you can do the angle that you want, right? So you put it like that. You can put the angle that you want for those lefties. I mean, I play lefty. When I'm playing air guitar in the car, I play lefty because you cannot do the kick with the right. So I do the kick with the left. And, right? So I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna have so much fun with it. So thank you guys for sending me this. This is going to be in my car, and by the way, I think I'm gonna need more. These come in several colors. This is of course the classical cymbal color, right? But these come, I think, in red and in blue. It comes in different colors, and I want it. I want more of these. So this is a nice stocking stuffer, or this is just a nice gift for any of your friends that are musicians that like to air drum, air guitar, air bass, or piano, anything. This is going to make the difference, but more important than anything, this is going to bring a really nice smile to your face.